shoes honoring Kobe Bryant's legacy with the upcoming Air Force 1 Low linen and University Blue. This reimagined take on Bruce Kilgore's 1983 classic blends sandy beige leather panels with striking University Blue outsoles and accents, delivering a clean yet bold look. Subtle Kobe-inspired details, metallic finishes, and premium materials elevate the sneaker, distinguishing it from standard retros. Echoing the 2007 AF1 Low Kobe, it integrates updated heel graphics while keeping the timeless Air Force 1 DNA intact. The design balances understated tones with modern highlights, embodying both Bryant's influence and Nike's commemorative vision. As part of a wider Bryant-inspired lineup, the pair symbolizes the cultural and athletic impact of the Los Angeles Lakers icon. Expected to release in November for $150 via Nike.com, the drop adds a standout chapter to the Kobe Bryant x Nike catalog.